Question: prove that root 2 is irrational. So first of all, we must know what is an irrational number. An irrational number is that number which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, Q is not equal to 0, and P and Q are co-prime. Means P and Q have no common factor. So for that, what we'll do, let root 2 is equal to P upon Q, we will suppose, where P and Q are co-prime. Q is not equal to 0. Means P and Q are integers and co-prime. Co-prime means P and Q have no common factors. There is not any factor of P and Q other than 1. So what will we do now? We on squaring both sides. Both the sides. 2 is equal to P square upon Q square. It implies that P square is equal to 2Q square, which implies that here you have got 2, which implies that 2 is factor of P square. Or you can say, implies that P square is divisible by 2. But P square can be only divisible by 2 when P is divisible by 2. 2 may be factor of P square only when it was already the factor of P. So what we have found that P is divisible by 2 means 2 is factor of P. If 2 is factor of P, implies that P equal to 2 into R. Implies that P square will then equal to 2 to the 4R square. So from first and second, two Q square will be equal to 4R square, or Q square is equal to 2R square. Implies that again 2 is factor of Q. Implies that Q square is divisible by 2. Implies that when Q square is divisible by 2, then implies that Q must be divisible by 2, which implies that when P is also divisible by 2 and Q is also divisible by 2, implies that P and Q both are divisible by q, but we have supposed that p and q are co-prime. हमने कहा भाई कि न पी और क्यू का कोई दूसरा फैक्टर है ही नहीं, यानी यहाँ दो पी क्यू जो है दोनों का फैक्टर आ रहा है. यहाँ पर we have said p and q have no common factor, but here we have got 2 as the factor of q and 2 is factor of p also. So our supposition is wrong. Implies that root 2 is irrational.